Look no further than the 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-sized pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the worksite. The Colorado takes care of business without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Take it out for a drive and see for yourself.